Hello everyone, this is the Unspeakable at Interscapes Art Studios. These are the colors I'm using today. These are Golden Fluid Acrylics with lots of extra tar gel and GAC 800. I'm painting over this painting, and I've coated that cup with some tea tree oil today, and I'm going to do a single dirty pour flip cup. And this is the paint that's kind of boundaryless because the tar gel breaks down the resistance or something, and the paints really do not keep their color integrity. They blend together on the edges. So this may not work out. I've worked a lot with these in the summertime because the tar gel really slows down the drying process and it needs the heat to dry well. And you can see in the cups how the colors are already kind of mixing together and blending. There's something about the gluiness of the tar gel that attracts me. Okay, instead of doing a flip cup, I think I'm going to do a ring pour. Tar gel is an extreme medium, and I only use it with the Golden Fluid or the Golden Heavy Body acrylics. I don't mix it with the crafty paints, and I don't know why. Now if this doesn't work out the way I want it to, I have some white ready to do a swipe. I took a really long time with this painting, and I stretched it for a very long time. These paints were sitting at home in the heat while I was evacuated, so they're not totally consistent. I tried to make them more consistent. We'll see how it works. One of the things that I love is seeing the larger color pattern on the top pour off, and then the suspended pigment particles stretching out and making the subtle waves and shimmers and vibrations in the paint. So I really like stretching paint, and tar gel is great for that. It adds a gooey factor that you can play with for a long time. And I cut quite a bit of it out because I thought you might be bored. And it's unique. That's all I can say. It's not about the cells, it's about the gradations of pigment. Although I did coat the cup with a little bit of, I think, silicone. And I think there was one cell in there. But I really wasn't going for cells today. I just wanted to see what would happen. So there's something about this that's really an abstract of the time frame and the reality that I'm living in. Fire and water, heat and cool. It's celestial. It's deep oceanic. It looks like it could be a star or a fish. Let me know what you think. One of the reasons that I'm posting this right now is that they're going to shut off the power in about 2 hours in this heat. Don't get me started on that. But it's another polarization, opposite kind of situation. And I'm looking forward to going out of town soon. So you won't be hearing from me. Once the power goes out, I have no internet. So please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.